My name is Stefan, and in this short K2Base training video, I want to show you everything you need to know about obstacles in K2Base. So let's jump right into it. I pre-made a project starting on the roof page. The flat roof in this case is already drawn, and I'm on the obstacle tab, right? And what you can see here is the different obstruction types or obstacle types that you can use. You can either draw a polygon obstacle or a rectangle or a line obstacle. In this case, I'm going to use the rectangle, right? Since it's the most fitting one. So I'm just going to click on add. And then it's the same principle as you had with drawing a roof. You start with one click, then you do a second one. Third one defines the obstacle in this case. As you can see, I made it a little bit too large. It's not really centered. So what you can do, just left mouse click, and you can drag the obstacle on the roof, right? And again, if I click on those small circles, you can also change the size of the obstacle. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot of those obstacles here, and that's a small flat roof, so could be even more on a larger one. They almost all look kind of similar. So what you could do is draw all of them manually, which is really time consuming. And since I'm a pretty lazy person, I'm going to use the comfort function here, and I'll click on detect similar obstacles. Now, as you saw, Base was searching that image for similar parts, and it almost got all of them, right? So just going to click on add to create all those obstacles. And the last one that I'm missing, I can just copy one with that button up here and move it down to its position. There's of course more, right? Let's assume you need to have a specific distance between those obstacles and the modules on the roof. So you could go to the minimum offset setting down here and just put it the value that you need. Let's say it's 10 centimeters, would mean on the design page where every module would at least be 10 centimeters away of the obstacle. And you can, if you want to, also give the obstacles a height. Let's say this one is half a meter high. Let's click on enter. And then you can just see the shading